All right. We just got done talking about this, brother. So I figure let's go ahead and have a convo, man. Let's go ahead and have a convo real quick.
Need to know that.
You can have little money, but if you got a vision and a blueprint.
But that's additional context. My point is that before we had a child, because she hasn't worked a regular job since we had a daughter.
Right.
So she ain't had no regular job since 16, since my daughter, 16 years ago.
I know that's right, Rita girl.
But here's the caveat. When we came together, she was working and she was willing to give me her whole check.
There it is.
So no, real talk. Like had me to get a lump sum of money.
Why did she have to do that? If you
I said she was willing to.
But why would she have to?
Because she didn't want the responsibility that men would. She was willing to fall under whatever vision that I had for the family.
Got it.
Right.
So
my point is, and so
she trusted him that much.
Even though she was willing to give it to me, I didn't take it. But my point is that
she was willing.
My point is that.
See, all of those people that are in the audience and doing all that bickering and all the other stuff, they don't understand. And that's why a lot of these individuals will never have what he has. All right. What a lot of successful marriages actually have. When you all in, you're not thinking about yourself. You're thinking about, and you know, and you understand, listen, we made a commitment. And I knew and I understood that I vetted correctly. This is the person I'm going to be with for the rest of my life. So I'm all in. All chips, all bets are, I don't give a damn about what's going on the outside. I know and I understand this person that I'm rocking with got my back and I got theirs. Most people will never be able to experience that because they don't know what it is to go all in with anything, not even themselves. They don't get it.
She didn't have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. She was all in. Or she wasn't with me for what it is that I could do for her. But she then became the beneficiary of what it is that I built, right?
You be taking
but all I'm saying is, I think that a lot of times we wait too long, and then that's when you start bringing all of this trauma into relationships.
Yes.
You can't unsee the person that you had problems with. We start to bring children into the situation, and you don't have no equity and you don't really build with the person. I know her. I know when she walks in the door, I could tell whether or not she upset, feeling good, I don't have to talk to her. I already know it.
Do you think you know her because you took away that stress of that 9 to 5?
No, I know her because I've been with her for a long time. It's just all about time.
How long was you with her?
See, he's still... Oh man, I hate to do this, but we just reviewed some content or whatever about this guy right here, Papi Chulo, whatever he call himself. He's still so focused on the money. He's still so focused on Anton taking care of him that he missed the overall point. When she had it and I didn't, she was willing to give everything to me. That's it, man. It's a mindset. It's not, I didn't put her there because I was willing to make the sacrifices and, take away all the stress and what they say, put her in her soft girl era or whatever. No, she already knew. She already understood. She already came with, that's how she came to the table before the money was even there, fam. Get that. Because going back to that content that he done put out, again, I apologize, but he said a month into his relationship that he told his girl, you'll never have to work another day. 8 years. 8 years straight. She didn't have to worry about paying any type of bills. He paid for everything. A month after meeting her, married her, and on that 8th year, they got a divorce. She was just sick and tired of it. I'm good. Because she wasn't all in. It had nothing to do with Anton stepping in and paying the complete financial load for whatever it is that they had going on. It didn't have anything to do with that. It had everything to do with she already possessed the mindset of being a wife. She understood what it is to be all in. It wasn't one step in or 1 foot in and 1 foot out. That's what you're missing. That's what he's not getting. Because he's asking the wrong questions, fam. And even when, I'm around my mentor and stuff, you have other guys out there that are asking the wrong freaking questions. No, because it's like they want them to give them reassurance. They're asking questions to, okay, so that makes it, so what I did was right. No, fam, you're moving wrong. When you lead with money, you automatically setting yourself up. automatically setting yourself up. You thought because you paid, you took all that stress and those bills off that she was gonna commit to you 100%. No. That commitment needs to be there. It needs to be established before the money comes into play. That 100% going all in, it needs to be established before that. Same thing when it comes to anything else in life, when it comes to content creating and everything. That level of commitment needs to be there before the money comes into play or before you really get successful. Because that money is just going to make you more of what you already are. So if she was all in before the money, then when the money get there, I'm still all in. But I'm just trying to, how can I maximize me giving you everything that I have? How can I maximize my value towards you, towards this relationship, towards this family, towards this empire? Most people don't get that.
Oh, I know her because I've been with her for a long time.
It's
just all about time.
How long was you with her until you retired?
So I got married at 22.
22.
And then we had a child at 26.
Okay.
So the way I did
22, they had a child at 26, meaning if they got married at 22, I think he's been knowing her, let's just say at least since I don't know if it was 16 or 18. Fam, that's almost 10 years before she was able to retire. She haven't worked a full job since their daughter was there. Not a month into meeting her. See, look, he was looking for it and he didn't get the answer there, so he just left it alone.
because I took the money, but it's not what y'all think.
Wait, what?
Did it, because I took.
Wait.
So I got married at 22, and then we had a child at 26.
Okay.
So the way I did it, because I took the money, but it's not what y'all think.
Man, let me tell you something, man. 2K got a damn problem, man. That boy's off the chain. But going back to what I was saying before, I went ahead and finished the video. Most people don't know or understand what it is to go all in. Most people will never understand what it is to be all in, to have both feet inside this thing instead of 1 foot out and 1 foot in. They don't get it. They don't understand it because they haven't did that for themselves. They don't even know how to commit to themselves, let alone to another person. And that's the issue here. And being able to identify what that looks like. That vetting process, which a lot of them people on this stage right now are lacking that. And this, like, you literally have Anton up there trying to educate them. This is how you're able to figure that out. This is how we were able to continue to level up. She was all in from jump, fam. She knew and understood what commitment was, and so did I. And when you bring people like that know and understand that together, you're going to create something powerful, something that's going to last a lifetime. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments below about this particular conversation, man? Drop it down in the comments and let's talk about it.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm trying to work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa, too bad was they roll.